Now I got record. Okay, this truck's making a funny noise. We're gonna put the noise on video. If anybody knows what it is, put it on my comments.
Inside the cab.
Yeah, it sounds like it's coming from inside the cab. I've never heard this noise before, so I'm perplexed. But how fast do you go when it comes? 45?
45 to 50 now.
45 to 50. I'll put the gauges on the video as soon as the noise comes out. It's so weird. I feel like a UFO is coming to pick us up or something. Okay, we got a green light. Yeah, everybody listen. You're gonna notice right at the back. Everybody hear that?
Oh, that's
It's not as loud as what we heard before, but here, maybe it'll get louder on this one. Yeah, that's good. We got it on video. That was loud. So if anybody's experienced the same noise, this is a 2008 Chevy Silverado. It's lifted. It's pretty high. Wow.
well, that's where your noise is coming from.
That's where the noise came from. Nah. But yeah, if you know what the noise is, we'd appreciate if you put it on my comments. Okay, bye.